radiator and the oil on the other side. Just gotta keep that in mind when I'm out locating. So you may see some water right in here, just because it was back pitched here at one point. I mean, it probably still is, but get a flathead. The side right at the bend where it goes out. See, it goes uphill right there. If you look inside there, you can see the and right at 12 feet, about 11 feet, it's the transition to Orangeburg, 11 feet 6 inches. Pause that. Turn on the locator so I can locate that. So we're at 13, so that's 2 feet. Got a lot of room in here. I'd be better off just having it completely changed now. Looks like we transitioned to cement. I'm gonna find this transition. That's Orangeburg, so I'm going to say right here is the transition. Yep. To the city, make sure their connection's okay. It's holding water. So we're gonna locate this transition point. Let's locate this transition point. Actually, let's grab a rag so I can wipe the camera cable. We'll just bring it back slowly and record. All right. So into the orange, well, that's still cement. Cement pipe, still until this point here, which it turns back into Orangeburg, and they have a bunch of roots. So lots of tree roots. But unfortunately, with as bad a condition as this Orangeburg is in, if we go in and try to cut those roots out with the flex shaft, it's just going to rip the whole pipe apart. Even more than it already is because of those. We know the line's Orangeburg because of how black the outside edging of the pipe is. We've explained that to them before. There's no rust on the pipe, so you can tell that it's not cast. It's definitely not PVC or SDR because it's all black. Those are white and green. So we don't use ABS. Then we transition back into the cast, which I marked out there already in the street, in the grass area. Then this part right here is holding water, but that's right there as it leaves the foundation wall. And it's a turn, so clean out that we went into. Done with the camera. Close that up. Take this apart, and we'll put the clean out back in, and then we'll talk to the customer and give the customer the price to replace this line that definitely needs to be replaced. You can only snake out Orangeburg for so long before you should just replace it, and as soon as you know that you have it, you should probably just plan on changing it right away. Probably save you a lot of headaches in the future, especially if you have a big tree like they have out in their front yard. So, well, we'll see what we got and go from there.